This is young Simon Cole performing in America's Got Talent in front of Simon Cole, because this is deep fake. And this is a deep fake of Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky asking his soldiers to surrender. One is entertaining, while the other is alarming about the dangers of deep fake. These are the two faces of deep fake. Due to the term fake, the phrase deep fake evokes a negative feeling. Companies like Metaphysic are doing everything they can to dispel the misconceptions about deep fakes in the public eye. This is what they did on America's Got Talent. There are many practical applications for deep fakes across a wide range of sectors. For instance, news outlets may publish news 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without the actual reporter present by using a deep fake of their own reporter. They may reduce studio and labor costs, saving the business a great deal of time and money. The news anchor Kim Joo-ha from the Korean television network MBN was deep-faked for viewers. The newsreader would be a fake, as the channel had previously informed viewers and Kim Joo-ha is still employed. However, MBN stated that it intended to keep using the deepfake for some breaking news reports, and Deepbrain AI, the South Korean company that created the deepfake, has stated that it is looking for media buyers in China and the US, which has some people worried that newsreaders may become obsolete. A TikTok account solely dedicated to Tom Cruise deepfakes has been created as a result of how far deepfakes have advanced in recent years. Videos of Cruise doing everything including washing his hands and playing golf, as well as doing magic tricks, are available online. The same firm that produced a convincing imitation of Simon Cowell, Metaphysic, made this. There are many potential uses of deepfakes in the film industry. You may bring a deceased actor or actress back. It is debatable from an ethical standpoint. However, if we don't consider ethics, it's quite doable and simple. Also, it is probably far less expensive than alternative choices. Deepfakes enable translated films that feature the original actors, since they can modify footage and duplicate voices. The voices resemble the original cast members, and critically, the lip motions even match the words uttered. With the help of positive deepfakes, we can thus better exchange ideas, movies, and other creative works on a global scale, even those with tighter finances. This should increase the variety of entertainment and content we consume. In other words, deepfakes can overcome language barriers and increase the accessibility of content. Deepfakes aren't just found in videos. A rapidly expanding field with a vast array of uses is deepfake audio. Deep learning algorithms can now create realistic audio deepfakes with just a few hours of audio of the person whose voice is being replicated. Once a model of a voice is created, that person can be made to say anything. Thanks to deepfake audio, programmers may now allow gamer characters to say anything in-game rather than depending on a small number of lines that were produced before the game was released. Some people use this technology to commit financial fraud, data breaches, phishing scams, automated misinformation attacks, and the spread of misleading information from sources that are normally trustworthy. Critics also point out the risks of utilizing deepfakes to further a political agenda, such as by creating credible fake news. Politicians have also employed deepfake videos. In 2018, a Belgian political party made public a video showing Donald Trump pressing Belgium to leave the Paris Climate Accord in a speech. Trump never gave that speech. However, it was a deepfake. It can be used to scam people by using the identities of popular people, and there is enough data on social media to identify a certain influencer or celebrity. There are thousands of photos and videos online which can be used as training data to create frauds in the name of authentic people. This is some of the reasons why the AI community is afraid of making deepfaking available to everyone regardless of their background. Just like AI image generators. Just like deepfakes, AI image generators can be used for illegal activities as platforms like DALL-E become hyper-realistic and look genuine. On GitHub, a lot of deepfake software may be discovered. Deepfake production is legal because some of these apps are only used for pure entertainment, but other apps are much more likely to be used maliciously. Many experts predict that as technology advances, deepfakes will become much more sophisticated and pose more substantial hazards to the public in the form of electoral meddling, political unrest, and increase criminal activity. While deepfakes will only get more realistic with time as techniques improve, we're not wholly defenseless when it comes to countering them. Deepfake detection techniques are being developed by several businesses, some of which are startups. For instance, Sensity has created a platform for deepfake identification that works like an antivirus and notifies users through email when they are watching something that contains the telltale signs of AI-generated fake media. The deep learning techniques employed by Sensity to detect fake videos are the same techniques used to create deepfakes. Deepfake is being used by certain well-known brands to produce advertising that is distinctive and may appeal to a variety of consumers. Cadbury collaborated with Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan on a marketing initiative for COVID-19 affected small businesses in India. Owners of businesses provided information about their establishments, and Cadbury employed the deepfake technology to simulate Mr. Khan endorsing them in targeted advertisements. A similar initiative by Lay's earlier in 2021 saw the creation of a website called Messy Messages, where fans could input their names to receive personalized messages from the legendary footballer. Deepfake is being used by brands to reduce the cost of their video advertisements. Deepfake campaigns make it easier for companies to enter foreign markets, stretch their marketing budgets, and provide audiences with hyper-personalized content at the touch of a button. And in 5 to 7 years, any individual, such as a YouTuber or TikToker, will be able to produce the same quality of visual effects that are currently only available to the most well-resourced Hollywood studios. If you watched this far, then a like and subscribe will be heartwarming. Thank you.